Starting around 06 October 2023, fundamentally smooth love mixture by and large is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. SLP in a real sense has a complete market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. This generally makes kind of smooth love mixture, SLP, in every practical sense, positioning at 315 in the digital currency market in a quite huge manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the especially smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023, what will truly smooth love elixir in every practical sense be truly worth in 2023, which especially is very critical. Is genuinely smooth love mixture a truly wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will SLP cost by and large outperform its unequaled high, which especially is very huge? These especially are for the most part smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which sort of is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023 as per the by and large smooth love elixir conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the SLP cost especially is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $0.002, the normal pretty least value worth of certainly smooth love mixture toward the finish of the really current year ought to be $0.002, which is genuinely huge. Besides, SLP can basically arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0.002 in a genuinely large manner. SLP value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of commonly smooth love elixir in a real sense is estimated to in a real sense be at around a very least worth of $0.002 in an every way that really matters, huge way. The sort of smooth love mixture value worth can by and large arrive at an essentially limit of $0.002, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. SLP value gauge September 2023. With respect to September 2023, kind of smooth love elixir sort of is supposed to basically arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.002 in a kind of enormous manner. The SLP cost could in every practical sense arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.002, with the truly normal cost around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for genuinely smooth love elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around $0.002, so by and large smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023, the cost for especially smooth love elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of smooth love mixture in a real sense is basically anticipated to arrive at in every practical sense normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between in every practical sense limit of $0.002 and a sort of least of $0.002, or so they generally thought. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for really smooth love elixir in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in a for the most part significant manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.002 in an every practical sense, huge way. Smooth love elixir kind of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been truly diminished by 1.57% in its especially current worth in an extremely significant manner. Assuming we generally look at the by and large current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap most certainly is additionally down, or so they thought. Smooth love mixture most certainly is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The SLP fundamentally is down to nearly 5.41% over the most recent 7 days, extremely further appearance how SLP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of exceptionally smooth love mixture sort of is gauged to basically be at around a sort of least worth of $0.002, or so they by and large thought. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past essentially couple of days. The coin could by and large have kind of solid essentials in any case. We don't especially believe that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, transient in a for the most part enormous manner. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP generally diminished by 48.160%, taking out an astounding pretty normal amount of $0.001 from its in every way that really matters current worth in an extremely enormous way. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a decent explicitly purchase a potential open door for by and large speedy interest in a kind of significant manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 47.33%, and the value sort of circled from a truly least truly normal cost of $0.003 to especially most extreme certainly normal cost of $0.003 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, so truly smooth love mixture, SLP, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of commonly smooth love elixir certainly is especially anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.002 and a kind of least of $0.002, which especially is genuinely critical. Smooth love elixir by and large is somewhere near 24.79%. With the very most extreme in every practical sense, normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0.002, and the exceptionally least typical cost of all things considered was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months. Which basically demonstrates the way that the SLP cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.002, with the sort of typical cost around $0.002, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture value estimate 2023 facts what will generally be for the most part smooth love elixir truly worth in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The SLP cost explicitly is gauged to arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme degree of $0.002, with exceptionally least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023, exceptionally further appearance how besides SLP can truly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.002, or so they explicitly thought. Does especially smooth love mixture fundamentally have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as cost, except